right.
Snake Farm just sounds nasty. Snake Farm. Pretty much, yeah.
Your potato's gonna be burnt. I know which is which. This is one that's actually sitting on top of the fire. I already knew you were gonna do that, so I went ahead and fucking put it on there. Yeah, giving a quick look at the Vortex. This is a Crossfire 2x7x32. It is, I guess it's their competition towards, you know, hitting the Nikon and Leopold market on the not lower end scopes, because none of them are lower end scopes, just more economical scopes. And like I said, this one I actually got on Amazon for $122, and it's proven to be pretty likable so far. Haven't field tested it yet. We're going to try to knock some hogs down this season with it. This is going to be probably one of my go-to rifles for hog hunting this go around this year. Is going to be the 76, which topped off with this Vortex. Like I said, I mean, it's decent for a 150-yard shot. No problem. I mean, you can go further than that, but like I said, for what we're doing out here, you see what's behind us. This is just a quick look. Vortex, and it's got the BDC drop on it. Anyway, it's anti-fog, it's nitrogen filled. Aren't they nitrogen filled? Scopes? Ain't your scope was nitrogen filled?
Mine works.
I know, but it was nitrogen filled, wasn't it?
I don't know. My tires are nitrogen filled.
Anyway, here you go. It's a quick look. That's it. Huh.